Hello everyone, this is Dharminder, Senior Security Engineer at F5 SIRT. In one of the previous video, I showed you how you can find out the top Docker IP addresses from a PCAP file. In this video, I'll show you how you can find out the top Docker countries or geolocation from a PCAP file. So for that, I'm going to rely on F5 or BigIP geolocation database. So I would really suggest that you go ahead and update the database first, and after that you can run these commands which I'm going to show to find out the information. Okay? And to update the database, you can find out all the information in a K article, which is K111176. Okay, so let's quickly go to the terminal and see how we can find out the information. And in this video again, I'm going to use tshark and some other commands to get the required information. Okay, so here is the command which I'm going to use. So I'm going to read the PCAP file first and filter out only source IP addresses, and then I'm going to read each and every IP address which will be run against the command geo_IP_lookup to get the country name, and from there I'll grab the country name, okay, sort it out, find out the unique one, and again sort in the reverse order. So let's see what information we can find out. And again, I would really suggest that you update the database, because if it is old database, you may get the wrong information or positive information. Okay, so that's highly recommended. So that's the reason I'm saying again and again. Okay, so let's wait for the command output. Okay, we can see that the top Docker countries: India, followed by United States, Singapore, Hong Kong, and other countries in this particular PCAP. And if you want only top 10, then you can add this command head followed by the number. So I've used 10, but if you want top 20, you can change number 10 to 20, 30, whatever is your requirement. And once you have this information, you can find out whether, okay, a specific country which is sending huge traffic, are you expecting that much traffic from the country or not? Okay, and take necessary action. Okay, so we have the information. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.